Did you know that women, on average, earn 82 cents for every dollar men earn? But here's the good news. Mastering personal finance can help bridge that gap and secure your future. Welcome to Savvy and Secure. I'm so glad you're here. This channel is all about helping women take charge of their financial lives with practical tips, smart strategies, and actionable advice. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your financial skills, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're diving into why personal finance is uniquely important for women and how we can tackle these challenges together. Let's talk about why personal finance is different for women. First, the income gap. Women, on average, earn less than men, and that's not all. Many women also experience career breaks due to family responsibilities, which can drastically affect their lifetime earnings. These earnings gaps make it even more important to be financially savvy, as every dollar counts. But it's not just about income. Women also tend to live longer than men. In fact, women can expect to live 5 to 10 years longer than men on average, which means we need to plan for a longer retirement. That means saving and investing early becomes crucial. So why does this matter? Well, financial independence is more than just a nice to have. It's about security, freedom, and the ability to live life on your terms. Financially empowered women are able to make their own choices, set their own goals, and shape their future. And you don't have to wait for a perfect moment to start. Take a look at women like Warren Buffett's daughter, Susie Buffett, or Oprah Winfrey, who've not only mastered the art of personal finance, but have used their wealth to change the world. Now it's your turn. It's time to take control of your finances and build the secure, savvy future you deserve.